Yo, what's good people? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a guitar inspired Afro beat, and we're gonna be drawing inspiration from Magic's latest jam titled. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. The first thing I'm gonna quickly do is bring in my vocals, and I've used Audimi to convert the vocals, and I've been using Audimi of late, so I don't get a copyright strike on my video. So I'm just gonna drag it into my DAW, and I have the vocal, and let me just play the vocals.
My business, only your mama want you bigger. And when me dead on my darker stance, nobody
Nice.
go check on needed. See if I did grind for fitness.
Yeah, so the tempo is I think 104. So I'm just gonna drag everything to 104 BPM. And what I'm gonna do to my vocal, just send it to my mixer, use the EQ just to take out some of the lows.
Grind for fitness.
Then I'm just gonna add a reverb, and I'm gonna be using this pop plate reverb. Why I love this reverb is because it's just simple. Just increase the dry and then play around.
Grind for fitness. Like I'm a soldier. Family rest for me.
Yeah, a very, very nice and simple reverb. The next thing I'm just gonna do quickly is bring in my drums, and first off, let me just start with the guitar melody. So I'm just gonna try to start with the guitar melody. There's this nice chill guitar in the beginning of this song. So that's what I'm just going to be creating, and I'm gonna be using electric sun boss for that. So quickly, I'm just gonna load in Contact electric sun boss. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick the melody, and let's create it. So I think I'm gonna start with the flageolet. So let's create our first pattern and call this guitar. So it's a very, very simple guitar chord progression, and we're gonna be on the key of D. A very, very simple guitar chord progression. So let me just go to my piano roller. I'm just gonna arrange the note on the key of D, guys. First, yeah, just go like this. We have something like this. Yeah, our 4 to to our 6. Then to our, what is it called, to our 5. So it's 4 6 5 5 1. Yeah, that's the chord progression we're using. Yeah, then just copy the same thing, shift it over here. Yeah. Then just have this here. And then the last, let's see, this. Yeah. Yeah, so just something like this. So we'll have it. Let me play it with the vocal.
Oh, na, girl. Yeah, you're the girl. Oh, you know my.
Yeah, nice. But in between there were some nice melodies. So what I'm gonna do, I'm also gonna load on that instance of Contact, and let me just load in. I'm gonna be trying Act Up, and let's see if you could get something nice, or a nice preset from Act Up. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna add in there were some melodies in between the notes. So I'm just gonna try to, if I can remember. Yeah, so I think let's see. Bring it down. Yeah, so I think it's something like that, but I think I'm gonna use it on a different instance. So let me just arrange it first, then I'm gonna use a different instance so that I can give it lots of reverb. So it sounds really nice, because I think the guitar was a live guitar, so it has this kind of feel. But we're gonna try to get something close to that. Yeah. Yeah, so something like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this. Yeah, let me just cut it. Then let me create another instance of. Let me clone this. Yep. So under the melody, I'm just gonna go paste. So let's see. Let's see what's. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna use it muted. So I'm just gonna add in lots of reverb to it. So so. Yeah, so I think it's just yeah. So we have the vibe. Then the next thing that came in is this bass. So I'm gonna be using sub-boom bass for that, and I'm gonna be using this preset called Dark Oscillate Freshlet. I've talked about this preset. So for me, once I have a preset that I use and I like it, all I just need to do is to save that preset. So whenever I want to use it, it becomes really easy for me to find it. So all I just have to do, let's say you have a preset you selected and you like it, all you just need to do is come over here, and save preset as. So you can now save it. So next time if you want to use that preset, all you just have to do is come over here, and once you come to your preset, you see your saved preset. That's why I love FL Studio. FL Studio is simple, man. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is to play the bass, and the bass came in, I think, after the first 4 bars. So we've gotten these first 4 bars. Yeah, so the bass came in at this point. So I'm just gonna create my bass, and let's just drop that. Let's drop that down here. So and so what the bass plays basically is just the root note. Yeah.
My guy.
Yeah, so basically this is just this is just what we have. But I think I'm just gonna layer in some chords together with the vibe. So I'm gonna be using Lounge Lizard.
Oh na girl.
Listen.
Oh na girl. Yeah, you're the girl.
Okay, let's just. So I'm just gonna remove this note.
Oh na girl. Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Oh na girl. Yeah, you're the girl. Oh.
I think I can add more part just to make this, this intro have these nice emotions. So I'm just gonna be using peculiar sounds, and let me go over to the pads and use air pads. Yeah, let's put it on.
Oh na girl. Yeah, you're the girl. Oh, my.
Yeah, so we have the nice intro. So what the next thing is just to add the drums, and trust me, we are done. That's just the vibe. The first thing I'm gonna create is my rim shot sound dream. I'm just gonna put it here, and I think
guys are wicked. That want me tread.
Yeah, nice. So all I'm gonna do, go to my piano roll, and I just like increasing the velocity to make it hit really hard.
Guys are wicked. That want me tread carefully. Guys are wicked. That want me tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business.
Let's listen.
Guys so wicked. Guys so wicked. That want me tread. Guys so wicked. That want me tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business.
So
Guys so wicked. That want me tread. Guys so wicked. That want me tread. Guys so wicked. That want me. Guys so wicked.
yeah, I think that's what I'm just gonna put it. Just
Guys
go
so
over increase
wicked.
velocity.
That want me tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business. She say I did mind my business.
Next thing is gonna be this metal. So the drums is actually a very, very simple, you know, simple drum bounce. Like I love this kind of, you know, chilled vibe, man. Like
Guys so wicked.
so I'm just put this down here. Let's take all this all the way. Then for this metal, I'm just gonna put it over. Let's see.
Guys so wicked.
Yeah.
Guys so wicked. That want me. Guys so wicked. That want me tread. Guys so wicked. Guys so wicked. That want me tread carefully every day.
Then the next thing will just be our kick, and we, you know, with our kick we have the vibe, man. We have the vibe going.
Guys so wicked. Guys so wicked. That want.
Yeah, so
Guys so
go to my
wicked.
piano roll, just increase velocity so it hits really hard now.
Guys so wicked. That want me tread.
Yeah, so that's
Guys so wicked. That want me tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business. She say I did mind my business. Only your mama.
yeah, some nice 808.
So
I'm trying to remember how the bass, you know, the bass sounded on the original jam.
a soldier, a soldier, a soldier. Family rest for me show. A soldier, family rest for me show. A soldier,
Yeah, something like this.
family rest for me shoulder. Never see a soldier. Family rest for me shoulder. Never see clear when I'm sober. A soldier. Family rest for me shoulder. Never see clear when I'm sober. A soldier. Family rest for me shoulder. Never see clear when I'm sober. So I must hold on one eye like up a soldier. Family rest for me shoulder. Never see clear when I'm sober. So I must hold on one eye like up a low.
Yeah, let's take this up. So I think it's something like this.
Family rest for me shoulder.
Let me just give it a swing of around, like, let's say 13%. Yeah, I think that's basically all that is on the jam, and then I could bring in some drum feel.
You know my guys so wicked. That want me tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business.
Yeah, let's go with this.
Oh, you know my guys so wicked. That want me tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business. She say I did mind my business. Only your mama want you bigger. And when me there on my darkest times, nobody go check on me.
Then I'm gonna add a drum feel.
You know my guys so. Oh, you know my guys so wicked. That want me tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business.
Soft clipper, and so we have.
Guys so wicked. That want me tread carefully every day.
Let's see.
Yes, I did mind my business. She say I did mind my business. Only your mama want you bigger. And when me there on my darkest times, nobody go check on me.
Strings, let's see. All right, let me try and see if I can. It's been a while I use expand. Let me see if I can see some nice strings in expand. And let's see. Okay, soft string. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go copy the same chord progression from my pad over here.
But I'm up there tonight. But we gon' be alright. And I'm up there tonight.
So you can see how very easy it is to create a guitar inspired Afrobeat. All you just need to do is have some nice guitar VSTs like contact libraries, and you are good to go. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, say something nice in the comment section, let me know your thoughts, guys, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'm sure gonna respond to every one of you guys. Thank you for watching, and peace, guys.